Welcome to keyboard sounds. So I found a game called Abby Run. I was watching Gory Gaming. Do you watch Gory Gaming? If you do, you're epic. If you don't, you're still epic. Just don't mention the background noises. And I won't be recording on the phone. I will be just playing on the computer because my recording software on my computer is not working, so I can't record the footage on the computer. So yeah. This is 2 minutes, by the way. Bear traps. No, this is not ASMR. I will be talking and raging. I died. Yep, fell. 3, 2, 1, go. My mouse ain't working. My mouse ain't working. My mouse ain't working. Wait, it's still working. So it's now changed to 5 minutes to 33 seconds. And the audio ended. Yeah. So I'm gonna be playing this game. I'll be right back. Don't mind the background noises. Don't mind the background noises. Look at that. This purple monster. This purple. Yeah, it's purple, but I don't want everybody to talk about that reference I was going to make. I almost touched the lava. Oh, someone won first place. And it's the first person on the leaderboard. I sure am the clown. My house. My mouse. No. My mouse. It's I also have to keep track of the thing when the audio is going to end. Controller Pro. Wait. I'm close. I'm so close. I'm close to the end. Help, please. No! Okay, bye guys. Bye. Bye. Wait.